Here's a video. USB ports don't work. There's USB-C. Plug it in to the laptop. Nothing pops up, nothing happens. This is a razor blade docking station. All my monitors, everything, the power's plugged in. USB, USB-C to the laptop, nothing happens. Nothing. Everything's dead. Okay. Then we have another USB-C here that I got plugged in the docking station. Another USB-C was plugged in the docking station. I'm gonna plug it into the USB-C on the other side of the laptop. Nothing. Nothing pops up, nothing happens. Try it again. Plug it in. Nothing. 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 There's nothing that happens. Nothing. Plug it in. Nothing. So, this USB-C is dead on this side. Razor blade docking station. Everything's plugged into monitors. Nothing. USB. Nothing. I've reinstalled, completely redone Windows from scratch. Nothing happens.